Alright guys, my little cousin got another fish. See what it is. Dang, he put that rock over though. Hopefully it's something good. Keep the rod tip up. Keep reeling, keep reeling. Alright guys, so this is gonna be fish number 4 for him today. Oh guys, it's a big cat. It's a big cat. Y'all see it out there, guys? Alright guys, looks like he got a good one. Alright guys, so he's still fighting that fish. We're letting him bring it in. He's got a good one on, a blue cat. So I can see it, it's right there. But look at him fighting that, guys. It's a good fish. Putting up a good fight for him. But yeah, these blue cats are out here. Just walk backwards. But yeah, it's a pretty good one for him. Right, let's get him in. We gotta tie it out. Alright guys, so we got him, the big boy. Got him. Alright guys, so this is the cat my little cousin just caught. He's almost 30, about 29 and a half. But yeah, it's a good catch.
I'm winning.
I know, he's winning right now. He has about, what, 3 or 4 fish. He has 4 fish right now. And let's get a weight on him. Alright guys, so as I can see, he's about...
Blue catfish was just short of 12 pounds. Nice little cat. Thanks for watching. Like and share.